Hey guys, today we will be changing our Honda Accord 2001 cabin air filter. The tools you need is a screwdriver. I have this electrical screwdriver tool right here to move a little bit faster. You need a small little flathead screwdriver and this pry bar, and I'll show you how to use this later on. And your cabin air filter, it comes with two filters. This is kind of different from your newer model vehicle. So let's get to it. So first off, you want to remove this fuse cover. Just go ahead and pull it out like that. It's held on by latches, and there's two screws that you want to remove. There's one right here and there's one inside hidden. So you go ahead and remove that. Next, you want to open your glove box, and you want to remove this two clip right here. And there's going to be 1, 2, and 3, and 4 screws right here you want to remove. Alright, next you want to get the center console little plastic piece right here. You want to get a flathead screwdriver and pry it on the side. This side as well. Now once you get it loose and you try to pry on it, or actually pull it, it's pretty hard and stubborn. You could use this tool right here. I bought it at Harbor Freight, and you could just stick it in here and use it as leverage and go ahead and pull. There you go. And that's how you get this center piece out. It's held on by this stubborn little clips right here. After that, you want to remove this screw right here as well. Next, you want to just pull on this plastic piece right here and clip it from the car. There you go. Alright, so next you have about 5 screws that is holding the glove box in. There's 3 right there, and there's another 2 on this side. So that's what you have to remove first. Alright, first you want to remove the 3 screws. There's 1, 2, and 3. Then you want to remove this screw right here, which is holding the glove box together. And the last one. Careful of the ground wire right here. Try not to pull on it or anything, and just let it dangle like that. Alright, next thing you want to do is remove your glove box. The way I do it, I just pull down here and just lift it up from top. Alright, once you remove your glove box, make sure to unclip this plug in the back here. Go ahead and get your flathead screwdriver and press on that, and it'll come out. Alright, so this is where your cabin air filter is. Remove this cover right here. Just remove from the bottom. And unfortunately, whoever reinstalled this last kind of put it in the wrong way, wrong direction. Airflow, it's facing, 2 of them is facing the opposite direction. That's not how it's supposed to be, and can't can't seem to pry this one out, so I have to use a plier to remove this. Hopefully I can remove it. There you go. Move the bottom first, and then the top would just come down. So here we are replacing the new filter, or replacing it with a new filter. Just kind of push it out of the bracket. There you go. And make sure it's pointed in the right direction, so the airflow would be down. See the arrow right here? The airflow? Match it with the cabin air filter as well. It's pointing down, so you just put it down like this, same direction. Alright, so when you are putting this filter back, make sure the arrow is pointing to your left. You want to put one in first, and then you want to lift it up and put the second one in. There you go. Make sure the arrow is pointing to the left. Oops, see? If it doesn't point to the left, it won't go in right or properly. So, point to the left. There you go. Now it's sitting properly. Put the cover back on. There you go. Now we have to put everything back in the reverse order. Alright, now we're going to put it in our glove box. Make sure to have this connection or connector back in. There you go. Make sure it snaps back in. And there you go. Alright, now we're going to install this bracket back. First, what I want to do is hold the bracket with this metal, the metal screw right here. Tighten it, but don't tighten all the way, so that you can move the bracket to put this two screws back on. Just hand start it first. And then after that, just tighten it down. Next, you put back this plastic trim. Alright, next you want to put this back. I'm going to put this cover back. Now we're going to go to the side. Alright, next you want to put this 2 screw back in. This is just to hold the screw. Make sure you don't lose that. There we go. Put this cover back in. And the last part we're going to have to do is the glove compartment right here. Make sure you put this the right side or else it won't fit. There you go, and that's it.